Alrighty. Well, we're doing the yard. Here are the heat pumps. This is a Tempstar. It's original to the house from 1990. And the compressor is buzzing. That is not good. Yeah, Mr. Recip is fried. This unit's dead, I think. Model CH3030DKB1. I don't know if you can see that. Serial L90073020. Size CP, date February 1990. Listed section of heat pump. It's got a 5-bladed fan. It looks like it's got a scroll compressor. I don't know what kind of compressor it has. I bet you it's a Recip. That's 2.5 ton. And here's the upstairs unit. It is a Rheem Classic Series. Oops, my bad. Get back here to the model number on this one. Oh, this panel's loose. There's no screw there. RPNE 024JAZ, serial 7344M180728159. May 2007 it was made. Fort Smith, Arkansas. What year? What are you? Heat pump or straight cool? Heck, it's peaky. And it is, it's a heat pump, and this coil is nasty. And a Copeland scroll. Yeah, see a reversing valve. It's a heat pump. It's got a 2-bladed fan motor. Pretty nice unit. There's the disconnect, condensate, air handlers in the attic. That one's in the crawl space. This house was built in 1990. I don't remember how many square feet it is. It's fairly big. Here, I'll throw a picture of the air handler I took last time we were here. Yeah, this is buzzing. Oh, it's coming from the control panel. It's not in the compressor. It's got an Emerson fan motor. It's a newer one. I don't know what... I think it's a Recip. Well, damn it, I missed it starting up. It does have a scroll the way it sounded. So, yeah. It's got good airflow. That fan is freaking powerful. Scroll compressor. The coil is in nice, decent shape. This thing being from 90. That's cold. That's warm. 2.5 ton.